Hello, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 6D. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security and lock screen. Enter lock screen, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of lock screen and biometrics, fingerprint and face. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none. And now select swipe. Next, let's select PIN number. To create PIN, add at least 4 digits. And then let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, go to fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done. OK, and now you can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face recognition. And now scan your face in this area. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Unfortunately, the light conditions in this room are not so good. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.